Peace upon you and the mercy of God. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hello guys, if you don't subscribe and follow me for work. Today I want to show you how to build the calculator project by using HTML and JavaScript and CSS for design. Let's start. First things you must to know. You must to have the exam in your PC. You must to set up the exam, and after that you are going here inside the exam. Here in exam, inside the HT docs, here in every place in the site, inside the HT docs you can create your project inside, but if you create the folder, that is where organize your files. Here inside the course.lphb we are create the calculator.lphb. Here you must to create the file have the extent .lphb here. If we are back here, we are found the the track course underscore lphb here inside the calculator.lphb here. This is the HTML code I'll calculator just for the title here. If we are back, and after that you must run exam for running the browser in the local here. Run the exam, so you must to know, you must to check the exam will run well. If we are back here in browser and we are going to the parse here, this is the parse for our project here. If we are come here to the calculator project, we are found the calculator has the title just calculator, but there is nothing inside it. Here we are have the ready code for the HTML and a CSS design ready here, thing just like the calculator. Yeah. Just running. Yeah. This is the ready code from the from the W3 school for the calculator project. Calculator. And this is for the style, and this is the code for the style here. On click number for running the one or for running all the number in the calculator. We are use the JavaScript for running these things. If we are back to the browser, if we are check the save, and if we are back to the browser here, we will found the calculator project, but there is no action. There is no action here. This is the things running by the HTML code here. This is the things by running by the HTML code here. This is the for the design, for the size, width and height. This is the font size for the on-click number here, like the one or two. This is for this here, and this all this is the design. If we are coming here, we are using the ID for the number message we will use the number message we will call the number message by the ID in the JavaScript. If we are come here to the JavaScript here, this is the code for the JavaScript here. This is the code for the JavaScript. You can use these things here. Found here. This is the JavaScript here, beginning for the type عبارة عن text, just like the text JavaScript, and here this is the end of the JavaScript. The JavaScript here are script over up the head. If we are come here, we will find the var and number result. This is the number result here. Number result for using the equal. And if we are back here, we use the on click عبارة عن numbers number message for the for call the number message by the ID here. Sorry. Yeah, ID number message. If we are back here to the JavaScript, we will found str and document get element by the ID. Get element by the ID, just like the number message. If it is not called, just true str equal here nothing. str.alvalue plus a sum. It is not called, just false. And here function on click, or this is the function we are call it here on click result for the x, just like 2 over 2. And here this for if we are coming here to the document, we are call all this is the function here. By the function a, we will use the will here switch, just like key case 1 on click number 1 break on click number 2 break for the stop the operation. If they execute their first operation, you must stop this operation. If we are delete this break, the operation will running all this is operation. But if we are using the break for stop it, this is operation are running another operation after complete. This is the operation here in body we will use here we will use the name of this is your project like here we will use the calculator project. We will use the calculator project. This is the just for the name here are guide LBG color here for the guide. Like if you want to use the BG color here, BG color for the all the body color here. Input 1, value 1, ID just reading the 1, on click number just like the 1, classes standard ID. If we use here standard ID for the design, but on click number here, if we are back to the on click number just like 1, what is one doing here? On click result, on click color here. Here al standard ID, the one takes the design, takes the style for the size, height and width, and the font size from this is the function, or this is the column. All this is the design belong to the Microsoft Yahi. If we are back here, by this way we have the style here. This is the style, the style CSS, and this is the script. We are using the JavaScript here. This is the script by the JavaScript. You can to review this is the code and to know all these things how to run this. If you must to have the background about the CSS and HTML and JavaScript, everything will be easy for you. If you don't subscribe a like for us and for support. Be well. I don't need to lost your time. Just we are going to the browser. All these things here. This is the end of the code by using the body. This is all these things running well. If we are back to the browser here, and we are check here, and we are back here, 1 plus 3 equal, this is the for the on click result for just like deal here 8 over 5 here. Everything is going well. Here the calculator project. If you want to change the design just like from this here, LBG color here, you can to change the design from the here like green like Ctrl S. If we are back here, we will find the background will back to the green and everything will going well. And if we want to, this is the background for all this, for this is the background for this is the operation for background for the browser. And if we want to change the background for this is the calculator LBG color here a table just like boulder just one legend here, legend center, you can't use a legend left and right and center any place, just like left here. If we are back here left, if we are back here, we will find the calculator have take the left side. And if we are back here right GHTR like right. If we are back here, we will find the calculator take the right way. And here center, this a legend for the take the place for your things, right, left, center. If we are back here, center, for put the calculator in the center. And if we are back here, I'll black for this LBG color. This is the for calculator and al classes like the table. If we are back here, we will find the table al height just like 315 and 50, and al margin just like the center, al column here 25. Yeah, this is the for the table here, and this is the 25 size. If we want to change the if we want to change the color for the calculator, just we will use here, this is the text, the bg color here. Let us red. Yes, forgive. This is the calculator, any color we want. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. If you don't subscribe already for keyboard, and be well, take your rest, and everything will to be well. Thank you for your watching.